0 to Professional English Course. A creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 30. Discussion about traveling by bus.
Fazal wants to go to Kanpur to buy something. He wants to travel by bus. He goes to the bus stop and asks about the bus from a person. They talk as follows.
I have to go to Kanpur. Can you tell me at what time the bus leaves for Kanpur?
A bus leaves from here for Kanpur at 7 a.m. You can catch it.
Okay, I will catch that bus, but I want to know the departure time of the bus.
Yes, this bus leaves daily at 7:30 in the morning.
Well, so will this bus go directly to Kanpur or will I need to change?
No. This bus directly goes to Kanpur. You won't need to change on the way.
Okay, how many kilometers is Kanpur away from here?
Kanpur is nearly 120 kilometers away from here.
Okay, within how many times will I reach there?
Yes, brother, you will reach there in 3 to 4 hours.
Okay, where should I book the ticket?
Look there is the counter.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Fazal goes to the counter and buys the ticket. The ticket collector and Fazal talk as follows.
Hello, sir. I want a ticket for Kanpur.
How many people are you?
I am alone, so I want only one ticket.
Okay, give me 250 INR.
Here it is, sir.
Where will you get down in Kanpur?
I will get down near Shadra Mill in Kanpur,
Where is this?
near City Hospital.
Okay, I understood.
Yes.
Okay, here, take your ticket, check it, and ride on the bus.
Thank you, sir. Do you have any idea about at what time the bus will reach Kanpur?
The bus will reach at 11 a.m.
Does the bus stop at any dhaba or tea shop?
Yes, it stops at Baba Kadaba.
Okay. And for how long does it stop there?
It stops there for 20 minutes only.
That is good.
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Now I am going to start my journey, sir.
okay, have a safe journey. For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.